Hey, good morning everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet. I want to say thank you guys for joining us back for video or part 11 on Fuse 7. I also want to say happy 4th of July to our great nation, and thank you for all those who support and protect us and give us our freedom on a daily basis, so when we lay our head down at night we don't have to worry about things. But back to the video. So today we're on Fuse 7. 7 is a 16 gauge wire, all red. This wire goes from here. If you follow it, I've got it wrapped behind the fuse, the speedometer, and it goes up into the light switch. It's the only wire on that fuse, so it's going to be real quick and simple. It's going to go to the front of the fuse. So, like I said, we got a red wire. It's a 16 gauge. It's in spot number 7. So if you count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 16 gauge wire. Again, real simple, guys. I jumped ahead to in the videos here, so I am going back and still touching a wire by wire. So 16 gauge wire. It is a factory red wire. The red wire goes from here and it connects itself off the light switch, which is right behind, let's see if I can get it there. There you go. It's right behind the windshield regulator. And it's really that simple. This was a very quick video. I want to say thank you for all the new subscribers. We did hit 1,600 subscribers now. I wish I could thank you individually, but it's just so many coming and going. But as always, guys, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, share the video, like it or don't. And as always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation. It is the 4th of July. So do me a favor, and it also make you feel good too. The next time you see a serviceman or woman, or even a firefighter or police officer, just walk up and say thank you for your service. Because without them, we wouldn't have the lifestyle that we have today. So God bless you guys. Have a good one. Be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.